Fig and Plum Tart Tatin, the most delicious yet simple way to use up this season's produce. For the full recipe, head to meetthevegans.com. Into a cast iron pan, I am adding coconut sugar, vegan butter, cinnamon, dried ginger, and a dash of lemon. Popping this into the oven and cooking it down until it's nice and golden brown. Next up is just preparing the fruits. The figs into quarters and the plums slightly smaller, and repeating this process until all fruits are prepared. And then it really is just a case of arranging this at the bottom of the cast iron pan and cooking this in the oven until it's nice and golden brown, which will take around 20 to 25 minutes. Once that's done, you place a plate onto the top and you turn this tart tatin upside down, so now the fruit is facing up. And we recommend that the best way to serve this is with some custard or vegan whipped cream. Thank you so much for watching. Join us again next time. And for more recipes, go and check out our blog at meetthevegans.com.